one most important problem, 7 marks question, Maths 2B, third chapter, Parabola, first exercise, second bit, fifth problem, page number 117, exercise 3A problem, exercise 3A, second bit, fifth problem. Find the equation of the parabola passing through the points 4, 5, minus 2, 11 and minus 4, 21 and having its axis parallel to the y-axis. Here find the equation of the parabola passing through the 3 points and axis is parallel to y-axis. Axis is parallel to y-axis. Here given points, let A is equal to 4, 5, B is equal to minus 2, 11 and C is equal to minus 4, 21. Here this is the 3 points. Here equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. This is the axis, this is the directrix, this is the directrix, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here equation of the parabola passing through the 3 points A, B and C and axis is parallel to y-axis. Here axis is parallel to y-axis. Here A point 4, 5, B point minus 2, 11, C point minus 4, 21. Here required equation of the parabola or equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is y is equal to Lx square plus mx plus no. Whose axis is parallel to y-axis is y is equal to Lx square plus mx plus no. Here equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is y is equal to Lx square plus mx plus no. Here L, M, n are real numbers. Here the parabola one is passing through the 3 points. Substitute 3 points on the parabola, getting the equations in element 3 equations. The parabola one is passing through the point A 4, 5. A point 4, 5 lies on the parabola. Here x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. 5 is equal to L into x square, 4 square plus m into 4 plus n. 5 is equal to 4 square, 16L plus 4m plus n. So 16L plus 4m plus n minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 1. Again the parabola one is passing through B point minus 2 comma 11. B minus 2 comma 11 be a point lies on the parabola. Here y is equal to 11, L x square minus 2 square m x minus 2 plus n. 11 is equal to minus 2 whole square 4L minus 2m plus n. 4L minus 2m plus n minus 11 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 2. Again, the parabola 1 is passing through C point minus 4 comma 21. C minus 4 comma 21 be a point lies on the parabola 1. Here y is equal to 21, L x square minus 4 whole square plus m x minus 4 plus n. 21 is equal to minus 4 whole square 16L minus 4m plus n. Taking 21 right side, 16L minus 4m plus n minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the 3 equations. Solving 1 and 2. First of all, solving 1 and 2, eliminating n from 1 and 2. First one is 16L plus 4m plus n minus 5 is equal to 0. Second one is 4L minus 2m plus n minus 11 is equal to 0. Subtracting minus plus minus plus plus n minus n get cancel. 16L minus 4L 12L plus 4m plus 2m plus 6m plus 11 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. 6 common, 6 2s, 6 1s, 6 1s, 0 by 6 0. Therefore 2L plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 4. Again, solving from 1 and 3. 1 and 3. First one is 16L plus 4m plus n minus 5 is equal to 0. Third one is 16L minus 4m plus n minus 21 is equal to 0. Subtracting minus plus plus minus 16L get cancel plus n minus n get cancel 4m plus 4m 8m plus 21 minus 5 plus 16 is equal to 0. 8m is equal to minus 16. M is equal to minus 16 by 8. M is equal to 8 1s, 8 2s. Therefore, M is equal to minus 2. M is equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation number 4. M is equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation number 4. 2L plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. 2L minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 2L is equal to 1, L is equal to 1 by 2. L is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to minus 2. L is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation number 2. Equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 4L minus 2M plus N minus 11 is equal to 0. 4 into L 1 by 2 minus 2 into M minus 2 plus N minus 11 is equal to 0. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 minus into minus plus 4 plus N minus 11 is equal to 0. 2 plus 4 6. 6 minus 11. 6 minus 11 means minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, N is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. Therefore, L is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to minus 2. N is equal to 5. Substitute in equation number 1. Y is equal to L 1 by 2 x square plus M minus 2x N 5. Y is equal to here 2 LCM x square 2 2s are 4x 2 5s are 10. Taking to left side 2y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 10. Taking 2y right side x square minus 4x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Equation of the parabola passing through the 3 points and whose axis is parallel to y-axis is x square minus 4x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0 is the answer. Here let the required equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is y is equal to Lx square plus mx plus n. Substitute 3 points on the parabola, getting the equations 3 and solving 3 equations for the values L, M, N and N. L comma M comma N values substitute of the required equation of the parabola in Roman number 1. This is the process for finding the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Most important problem